Hi guys, I'm Kananaya.
My name is Iam.
I'm Enzo, and we're the Nomads.
Hi, I'm AJ. I'm Alan.
And I'm Alden.
And we are 12 Street.
You're watching Mix, the beat of our culture.
You're watching Mix, the beat of our culture.
And you're watching Mix, the beat of our culture.
As a whole, yung 2025 sa akin, punong-puno ng discovery and panibagong experience since outside my career, bumalik ulit ako sa school. So, maraming flashbacks na mga memories sa akin nung nag-school ako before I started my artist journey. And sa career naman, ayun, feeling ko mas naglaro ako last year. And nasa journey pa rin ako ng process para hanapin yung sound ko, and I think I'm getting there. Yan. Well, hindi naman dahil yung school ko naman usually hanggang hapon lang, and yung mga gigs naman is sa gabi, so laging may time kapag gusto. Yung song na nahihiya, about yung sa isang person na mahihiyain, and siguro parang confessing your feelings to someone na para saan pa yung feelings mo kung hindi mo sasabihin sa person na yun. Never akong titigil sa pag-release ng songs, and feeling ko kasama na yun sa pag-grow ko as a person din. And may abangan kayong album this year. Salamat sa suporta. Sana hindi kayo magsawa sa music ko, and share nyo yung music ko.
Medyo mahirap kasi i-box, lalo na for the first two songs or first two singles na ni-release namin so far. And even with our upcoming EP, medyo mahirap i-box yung music namin. Pero if you really want to generalize it, we are pop rock. We're trying like different, ewan ko.
Kung ano lang po yung trip naming music. Pero kung kami magle-label, gusto kong sabihin lagi, maangas. Crazy.
I'd say kasi this time last year we were still independent, and yung mga discussions namin as a band was like, okay, we're officially fully indie na ulit, no distribution, no management, how are we gonna go moving forward? And then mid-year na sign kami with OC. So our year 2025, I think it's been the clearest upwards trajectory. Like we've still got a long way to go. Pero like in terms of upwards trajectory with the guidance of OC and like yung prep din namin starting as a band in 2022 and the build-up that it's been to like the signing. Ayun nga, mas klaro.
Basta sobrang roller coaster niya lang na last year yung sobrang, kasi fresh graduates din kami na matigas ulo sa pagmu-music. Kaya last year yung time na talagang sobrang to the limit na hanggang saan ba natin kaya gawin to na talagang i-pursue full time kumbaga. Tapos
initially kasi music yung VIP, ito sa very straightforward song naman. Kung papakinggan mo, it doesn't really need a lot of deep dive or explanation na para siya sa mga tao mapagmataas. And it's just a song or an anthem of putting them in their place. Pero yung music video, ang saya nung present sa aming narrative. So ito sa collaboration between yon si Boss Kian and yung director namin, si
Jaime Morados.
Jaime Morados. Na yun nga, it is very relevant to what's happening. Nothing needs to be said na about the people that we really want justice for or against. And sobrang ano siya, parang wow, harap-harapan na tayo, ganun, harap-harapan ng kayong ganyan, and somehow, feeling nila celebrity pa sila, oh, the publicity that we're receiving. So para it's a very direct, very direct anthem once again to them na parang check your place and may kahahantungan ka rin na, alam mo yun, pangiting-ngiti ka lang ngayon pero alam mo na kung saan ka dapat talaga.
Saka, ewan ko, hindi na bulag ang mga tao ngayon, kumbaga.
Kasi
Go big or go bigger.
kung yun yung general. Tapos kung concrete aspirations po, so first of all, re-release the songs that we already created and now releasing fresh under the management and guidance of OC. And talaga, I think ang primary aspirations talaga namin is present something new for our listeners and our upcoming listeners dun sa mga susunod naming gigs, yung mga bago naming audience. Kasi nga, we've been a band for almost 4 years na rin. And dun sa community namin, the small community that we built na super solid pa rin, they already know what we're going to perform for every gig. So I think 2026 talaga, lalo na music. It's coming to the end of the cycle of the songs that we're just going to parang hinilamusan lang namin to release again. Talagang we're gonna present something both fresh for them and then fresh for us. Like, get our creative brains working again, collaborate. And then, talagang, so kanina nahirapan kami i-define yung music namin kasi nga, we're just venturing off wherever. Maybe this year we'll see something that's still maangas, na something that's still new, something fresh for people to listen to, pero maybe a more
Definable.
maybe a more defined direction. Not box, just defined to what we can do.
Very the nomads. Kumbaga. Yes.
Yeah.
Saka, syempre, bukod din dun sa new music releases, looking forward din kami na lalo pang i-improve ang live experience ng The Nomads. Ayun, career release lang namin ng music video for our song VIP. You can find that sa YouTube channel ng OC Records. And you can stream our first single under OC Records, Hindi to Love Song, on Spotify and other streaming platforms, as well as VIP. Yun lang.
Also, don't forget to follow us if you would like to follow us dun sa Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok namin at The Nomads Music PH, because that's where you can watch and anticipate our upcoming releases, music videos, visualizers, content, and where our upcoming gigs will be.
I'd say the year was a huge blessing for us, both individually and as a group. We grew together. We fortified our relationship as a band, and we got to experience new things, a lot of new things.
For me, 2025 is the year kung saan parang sinubok kami. But at the same time, finilter niya rin kung ano yung art na tinatahak namin, kung sino talaga kami, yung identity namin as Chug Street. And I think we never look at it na it's a bad thing. I think we always thank God about kung ano yung trials na dumating ng 2025. And even ngayon, grateful pa rin kami sa mga nangyari.
And like what AJ said, this year, or 2025 was a year of self-discovery para sa amin. So self-discovery includes all the
good things and the things that we don't really talk about, yung conflicts and yung issues na na-resolve namin together. So, 2025, I would say, was a blessing for us to be ready for this year.
Ako, personally, I feel honored because sobrang daming kanta eh. Yet, they relate to our songs and they connect with us on that level. Kaya ako natutuwa ako.
Siguro sa akin, minsan kinakausap ko si God or sarili ko sa salamin. Parang napaka-surreal niya in a way na dati pinapangarap mo lang to. Or like, parang long time ago or like 10 years ago. 2016 pa, di ba? So parang looking back, parang sobrang grateful ko at the same time. Pero surreal pa rin siya. Hindi ko pa rin ma-digest na parang may mga tao nakakilala sa music namin and sa band namin. So thank you so much.
Sa akin, with our songs being used, I feel that may connection na personal para sa kanila, para pakinggan nila or tangkilikin yung songs namin.
Ang kilikin yung Tagalog.
So, para sa akin, nagagawa namin yung purpose namin or yung message namin as musicians, as artists na gusto namin to connect with other people kung however way they may interpret our songs, how they relate to it. So, yun yung parang magic ng art sa amin. So, sobrang grateful namin na nakinig sila sa mga songs namin.
Siguro sa amin naman, yung pressure will always be there. Pero hindi siya naging hindrance for us to release something na we like. Ganun, parang still us. Parang dinadirect pa rin namin siya kung sino si 12th Street and kung ano yung gusto namin i-release. Pero yung pressure nandun which is a good thing kasi parang lagi siya remembrance sa amin na parang we should always do our best. So yun lang. Pero kayo.
Pero with regards to yun sa pressure nga ulit. For me naman, I think each of our songs has a life of its own. Parang kanya-kanya siyang kwento eh. So it's like comparing apples to oranges. So kumbaga we'll do our best for each track and then enjoy we'll just enjoy the ride, di ba? Actually, you wanna introduce kung ano yung meaning ng makapiling ka?
Yung meaning nung
saglit lang po.
makapiling ka is for people or like couples na long distance relationship or maybe hindi lang a long distance relationship, pwede rin wala kayong relationship pero ninalong mo siya, parang nini-learn mo yung relationship na makapiling siya. And I think that's something na bihira lang ma-express nowadays. And ngayon ko lang siya narinig. Yun lang.
Well, with regards to pressure naman sa akin, I believe that our songs will find the right audience kung saan dapat siya pupunta. So kahit may pressure sa amin na nafe-feel kami na parang wala din, yung pressure na yun is just to make great music. Hindi siya about being better than the last song. Kasi sobrang subjective no sabihin na mas maganda tong kantang to. Very personal opinion yun. Pero para sa amin, we made the best track we could with our emotions and with our skills na available sa amin that time.
Well, kami, kakasulat lang namin tatlo. We're aiming for an album this year.
Ngayon. I mean, yung first album namin is, parang napaka-exciting niya kasi first time rin din namin siya ma-explore together.
Actually, yes.
And feel ko parang ayun yung nagpapaiba dun sa album na yun is yung kaming tatlo, yung heads namin is joined together in that album. Yun.
So, the three of us, our three personalities, our experiences in life, dun mabubuo yung album namin. So, very raw yung emotion niya and sana magustuhan niyo siya for this.
Thank you palagi sa panahon, sa time na nilalaan niyo for us. Sobrang surreal na meron kaming natatawag na streetlights to support us.
Thank you. Tapos, samahan nyo kami sa ups and downs ng namin, ng band namin sa this 2026. Yun lang.
Sa akin, yun. Thank you sa support. Thank you for choosing to support us every time. Thank you, Streetlights.
And we hope you're as excited as us for the new tracks na we release namin. It's gonna be a fun year.